This is Daniel. Welcome back to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades. Okay, so for today's technical analysis, today I'll be doing this company called Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia Corporation. Okay, so what this company does is that as a background information for those guys who don't know what Nvidia does, it engages in design and manufacture of these computer graphics processors, chipsets. So though for those gamers, you should know what Nvidia does actually, because you buy their GPUs for your computer gaming graphics. All right, so it became famous also because that its computer graphics processors became more popular when it's used for Bitcoin mining. So that drives the popularity of Nvidia suddenly, and of course its profits. All right, so let's get back to the stock price. Okay, so what we are going to see is what's the stock price gonna be for Nvidia in the next few months or days, or maybe next few years. Okay, so we shall see the 4-hour chart first. Okay, so now let's have a look at the rise of Nvidia. So it has actually rise up so much since 2020. Okay, so I guess for those who has invested in Nvidia, it has really made you a lot of money. Okay, so since 2020 rising up, September 2021 rise up even more till September to the high of about $344, 345, because here is 345.99. all right, so this, of course, recently I guess that a lot of investors were like shocked, because despite its superb earnings, the stock price still fell. All right, so this is why, because I mean it's the stock market, right? It's irrational. So for those who are new in investing, you cannot just depend on the stock fundamentals to justify its prices. Prices does not justify, sometimes doesn't justify the fundamentals, does not justify the stock prices at all. All right, it's usually, most of the time, it's based on sentiment. So the more popular the stock is, the more likely the stock will rise. Of course, the more fear in the market, then the more likely that any stock will just drop, no matter how good the company is. All right, so for those that has bought at the high, I guess there might be some sort of fear for you, because Nvidia, looking at it, it will continue to fall much further. All right, so let's take a look how much further it will fall. Okay, so we'll zoom up to the later stage. All right, then we'll look how the stock prices behave. Okay, so we'll have a look at the high. Okay, we have a high rejection at about 345. Okay, which there's, you see as this candle, there is a rejection of the price when after it pushed up. All right, so it falls on back. Okay, pushing up price again, it falls back up now, resulting in a lower high. All right, that's key. This is a lower high, lower, the price keeps getting lower. All right, pushing back, there is a resistance at about 313, 314. Okay, since the previous resistance was set by this pin bar, and then it fell below to our EMA. Okay, rise back up, get rejected, goes back down, gets supported here, which seemed to be a double support. Okay, we can see there's a double support, so it seems like there is go back to the stocks may go back up high. However, it got rejected here again at our EMAs. Okay, so a double rejection here. So now it has fallen through my yellow EMA. Okay, so what's the what's the likelihood of this stock price will fall to? So probably I can currently give you a few price scenarios that will fall to. So one will be is that it may fall to here, bounce back up, down, back to here. Alright, so it may fall back to about the 190 to 180 range, this area. Okay, let's draw this one. Okay, so it'll fall back around this range first. Okay, so any further fall, the next one would be, let's draw here. Okay, 165, around 165. Okay, that might take some while because I most likely we will wait for the price to go to the purple line. Okay, the purple line will probably rise up to 165. Okay, if not, then it will be around 150. All right, the price will drop to 150. Okay, the next drop would drop to 130, around this range price, before falling to 110. Okay, so what's the most worst case scenario? Okay, so this is the most likely worst case scenario, but of course there may be even worse case scenario. Okay, so it may fall up to $80 range. All right, so around here, which is my blue line, so it could be around the $90 to $80 range. Okay, I don't know where this support will be in the worst case. Okay, in the really bad case, okay, the bad case, okay, and with its if the earnings has started to disappoint more and the earnings is lesser than what's expected, then I will guess it will fall to $21. Okay, so that is the worst case scenario for this year, 2020. For next year, you will just have to see where the next support is already. All right, based on my chart. Okay, so what we will expect it. Currently, I would expect it to fall to the 190 to 180 range. Okay, given the current market conditions, you might see some pullbacks around here. So let me clear this one. So I'm based on today, seems like there's some good news for the Russian war. So we might see, since the market is closed on a Monday, so on a Tuesday, we have to see again. If there's bad news again, then we should see dropping here. Okay, then maybe stock price will bounce around this area. Okay, before falling back down. Okay, so this might be the movement for the next few weeks. Okay, so I'll try to keep a lookout and have more updates via video, or you can follow my TradingView account, Coffee Drop Trader. Okay, so sometimes I'll post analysis on TradingView. All right, so thank you very much, and if you like this video, please press a like, smash the like button, subscribe, and share. All right, okay, see you in the next analysis. Bye bye.